Alright guys, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today we are actually trying out some magnetic lashes, and today is actually my first time trying some out. That is coming soon to my website. So if you're interested in see how I apply these, stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So I wanted to come on because I got some magnetic lashes and magnetic glue to my website. Anyway, so here are the lashes. Alright, so we're going to jump right in. I've done my eyes, done my mascara and everything. Basically everything is done except the lashes. I'll let you guys see the brush. The brush looks really nice and thin, and when I do liner, this is a brush that I like to use. Alright, so I'm just going to do a line here. I'm going to go ahead and do a little wing. The liner seems really smooth, really easy to work with. Can't smell it, but not overly bearing. Okay. Alright, so that's a nice line. I want to do one eye at a time just because I'm not sure. And I'm going to use my lash applicator that I have on my website. And, oh, it's cool. Ah, it's cool how it comes off. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Alright, I'm going to place that on my eye. Did not have to trim the lash, so that's good, but it went on really easy. Oh my gosh. Okay, that wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all. Now let me try. I think I'm getting excited. I'm going to have, you guys know this eye right here is a little bit different. And it seemed to dry pretty quick. But as you can see, there's a magnetic strip on there, so it comes off really easy. Let's see if I can get it this way. Comes off really easy. Alright, so let's try this one. I'm going to bend this one a little bit. Alright, let's go in. Alright, so this is usually my trouble eye, and this one went on pretty easy. Oops. That one went on pretty easy. Alright, so I am back. Well, you kind of saw my thoughts as I was using this product, but you can see here, and I'll look down so you guys can see. I'm actually impressed. Let me see. Let me try to pull just a little bit. It seems to be on. Get in close so you guys can see the magnets on there. Alright, so let's put that back on. Alright, so I would definitely say it's an easy application. I would say I'm almost sure that I didn't let this one completely dry before I put it on, and it stuck right to it. Let me look at my inner corners. And I usually don't really like my lash in this far in, but again, I didn't want to cut. I just wanted to see how the lash actually applied, and I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I would definitely use these. So, but yeah, definitely stay locked. I will have a link to my website. I'm actually going to be incorporating some magnetic lashes on my website, so definitely make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I will probably set it up where you can pre-order, because I am getting some new things in. But yeah, so definitely I like them. It's a thumbs up. All right, so that's it for this short video. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRHMAKEUP, and also _beauty over 40. And of course, I'm over on TikTok. And actually, guys, I've been going live a lot more on TikTok. So if you're into watching lives, definitely follow me on TikTok. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.